Little brave spider climbed the water pipe, wiggling and giggling on its morning hike. Past the brass windmill and the garden gate, every step was cheerful, every turn was great. Down came the raindrops splashing from the sky. Little brave spider watched the water fly. Swirly streams of water rushed from every side. Little brave spider took a gentle ride. But the spider smiled and said, "I'll try again. Every little challenge can help us learn and gain." Out came the sunshine, bright and warm and gold, drying every raindrop just like we'd been told. Birds began to whistle, flowers danced around. Tiny gears were spinning, making happy sounds. Little brave spider started climbing high, past the busy rooftops toward the blue, blue sky. Higher, 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 up the pipe it went. Little brave spider, happy and content. All the friendly animals clapped and cheered along, dancing in the village to the spider's song. At the very top now, Spider looked below, seeing all the wonders of the town aglow. Little brave spider, what a joyful day. Keep on trying, trying, and you'll find your way.
See you next time!